Welcome to Star Chat, the podcast that takes you on a journey through the vast expanse of our universe. As we celebrate the United States' 250th anniversary, NASA's Hubble Space Telescope has given us a gift that's out of this world, a stunning image of a globular cluster that's almost as old as the universe itself. Located in the outer halo of our Milky Way galaxy, Globular Cluster, NGC 6426, is a spherical collection of stars bound together by their mutual gravity. This ancient cluster is approximately 13 billion years old, making it one of the oldest globular clusters in our galaxy. The stars in this cluster are like diamonds scattered across the velvet blackness of space, with blue indicating the shorter wavelengths of visible light and red depicting the longer wavelengths. As we gaze upon this breathtaking image, we are reminded of the universe's incredible history. The stars in NGC 6426 have low metallicity, meaning they have fewer elements heavier than hydrogen and helium. This tells us that these stars formed in a time when the universe was still in its early stages, with matter mostly composed of helium and hydrogen. But what is truly fascinating is that researchers have found evidence of two chemically distinct populations of stars in this cluster. The slightly younger and more metallic stars were enriched with material from the explosive deaths of the cluster's earlier stars. This process, known as nucleosynthesis, is how the universe creates heavier elements that eventually become part of new stars and planets. As we continue to explore the wonders of our universe, we are reminded of the importance of preserving our planet and ensuring that future generations can continue to marvel at the beauty of the cosmos. The Hubble Space Telescope has been a cornerstone of space exploration for over 3 decades, and its discoveries have fundamentally changed our understanding of the universe. So let's take a moment to appreciate the sheer scale and complexity of the universe we inhabit. With billions of galaxies, each containing billions of stars, the possibilities for discovery are endless. And as we look up at the night sky, we're reminded that we're all part of this vast cosmic tapestry, connected by our shared curiosity and wonder. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat, where we explore the wonders of the universe and the complexities of human innovation. As we gaze up at the night sky, we're reminded of the delicate balance between our technological advancements and the preservation of our astronomical heritage. The rapid growth of satellite mega-constellations, led by companies like SpaceX and its Starlink initiative, has unlocked faster connectivity for millions of people around the world. However, this progress comes with a cost. The European Southern Observatory warns that the increasing number of satellites in low Earth orbit could severely disrupt observations made by some of the world's most powerful telescopes. Imagine a night sky filled with thousands of tiny shining objects, each one a satellite reflecting sunlight and interfering with the faint signals from distant stars and galaxies. This is the reality we are facing, with potentially devastating consequences for our understanding of the universe. The Very Large Telescope in Chile, for example, could lose up to 28% of its observable field of view due to the presence of these satellites. The solution isn't to halt the progress of satellite internet, but rather to find a balance between global connectivity and the long-term needs of astronomy. The ESO proposes an international cap of 100,000 faint satellites in low Earth orbit, which would help mitigate the impact on telescope observations. It's a call to action that recognizes the importance of both technological advancement and astronomical preservation. As we navigate this complex issue, we're reminded of the importance of critical thinking and skepticism. We must consider the potential consequences of our actions and strive for a deeper understanding of the intricate relationships between human innovation and the natural world. The night sky is a shared resource, a celestial tapestry that inspires and awes us. It's our responsibility to protect it for future generations. The debate surrounding satellite constellations extends far beyond any one company or technology. It's a reflection of our collective values and priorities as a global community. As we move forward, we must find a way to expand internet access without turning the night sky into an obstacle course for astronomers. The challenge is daunting, but the reward is worth it, a deeper understanding of the universe and our place within it. Welcome back to Star Chat. We've got one more exciting story to share with you before we wrap up today's show. You might have heard that NASA has been working on a mission to rescue the Swift Observatory, which has been orbiting our planet since 2004. The Swift Observatory has been instrumental in detecting gamma-ray bursts and other cosmic phenomena, but its orbit has been slowly decaying over the years. In a recent announcement, NASA revealed that it has launched a mission to rescue the Swift Observatory and extend its lifespan. The mission involves using a specialized spacecraft to rendezvous with the Swift Observatory and perform a series of maneuvers to boost its orbit and prevent it from re-entering the Earth's atmosphere. But that's not all. We also have some other exciting news from the world of space exploration. Scientists in Singapore have developed a tiny diving suit that allows cyborg cockroaches to survive swimming underwater for hours at a time. Yes, you heard that right, cyborg cockroaches. These insects have been fitted with electronic controllers and can be used for search and rescue operations in flooded environments. And if that's not enough, NASA has also announced that it has awarded contracts to 3 companies, Astrobotic, Firefly Aerospace, and Intuitive Machines, to deliver payloads to the lunar surface in 2028. These missions will be part of NASA's plans to build a moon base, which is scheduled to be completed by the end of the decade. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.